This is a sparkler.
Say hi, Daddy.
And it does
Hi, Daddy.
Look at this. See that? And you always hold it out.
It's Daddy's safety presentation.
Whoa.
Pretty cool.
And it does yellow and blue.
Mommy doesn't do this. Mommy's afraid of fireworks.
Yellow.
And I
Blue.
always hold it out away from me, okay? I never get it close. Look at me, Madison. Never close, right?
And
Orange.
we never touch that end, Maddie. Never touch the fire end, okay?
And you don't walk around with it. You just stay in one spot. And then when it's all out, it'll stop. You take it, you put it in the bucket of water. Ta-da!
Safety first.
You ready?
Dear God. Scotty, stay close to them, please.
What's that?
You
can have it. That's so fast.
It's what?
That's okay.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, Max. Very cool, buddy. Careful, Max. Scotty, watch him.
Bad Backs. Yeah, the team name is the Bad Backs.
Mad Max?
Bad Backs.
Oh.
This is their logo.
Maddie, careful. Don't touch those. Jesus.
Yes,
I know. Here you go, Maddie.
Wow.
Here you go, Mr. Paul.
Hold it out. Yep. Maddie, not yours. Here. Hold it out.
Oh,
Cool.
straight out in front of you, babe.
Put it on your toes.
Out in front of you.
There you go. And then Mr. Scott has a lighter, I think.
A knife?
All right, dump it in. Good job, Mad.
We got lots of sparklers.
Well, he wants to do some of his, too.
Oh, wow. You guys do have some.
Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa! There goes my flower. Damn it, Scott. Oh, my God.
I'd like to see him try and light one off of that. If I light one of the bigger ones,
I've never done
that's a good one.
Okay, Dad.
Wow, that's
Hold it down.
good.
Are you so excited, Maddie? Look at me. Look at Mom. Say hello. Woman, Leslie.
Well, I grew up at the beach, so they had them twice a week on a big scale,
Really?
floating barges out in the ocean. So it takes a lot to impress me at this point in my life.
Really? Your husband's not impressing you right now.
Well, he's making an impression on me. That's true.
Scotty, watch your son. He's going to burn your butt. Scotty, watch the boy.
I'd be a good one in the ER. My son stuck a sparkler up my butt.
Scott light his pants on fire. That was awesome.
Did he do that?
There you go.
One of the scouts did.
Oh, one of the scouts. I thought you said Scott.
Did we tell you? Yeah, I guess we're supposed to do that.
Good
Yeah,
job,
tell her.
kiddos.
Yeah. I thought you meant my Scott. Oh, my God. This is what causes mommies to have ulcers. Good job, Max. Keep him out. Arms straight, buddy.
When they're all done, Madison, put them in the bucket.
Woohoo! Did you see mine?
Her
I
and her
did.
woo-hoos crack me up.
I know. It's just so
I don't know
funny.
what that is, peach ball.
All right. Oh, kid's head. Whoa, look at that.
Green. Yellow.
They had one giant one that was like this big for 75 bucks.
Yellow, orange, yellow,